we got in here? Transmitter. Dang, she's huge. Thing is massive. Alright. Got our running accessories. Filter, charger, battery for the starter, manual, extra spark plug, toolkit. Looks just like a Revo, except for you've got these handles, skirts. I'm really impressed with the size. It's beautiful. Show you guys what we got to go with it. Got some Sidewinder, 30%. All my other vehicles have been running Sidewinder 20%. Making good power, running good, just kind of a little funky at idle. And as far as heat wise, I was told to cut back on the oil, so we'll see how that goes with the 33. Flexible bumper. Suspension feels good. Well, that's it for now, boys. We'll get some running videos after we get it broke in. Might do a little short on startup or idle. But man, I just gotta show this. This thing is huge compared to the Jado. Huge.